This is Darin Martineau, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my awesome new magic that's coming out on Penguin Magic. Um, I've got 18 new exclusive magic products coming on Penguin Magic, coming soon on Penguin Magic. That will make a total of 36 products that I'll have on there. Um, so we're going to talk about these products and what they are. First, it's going to be Four Aces Revelations, Volume 1, 2, and 3. And these are some of the most incredible original Four Ace Revelations. This is never seen before, never been published before magic. This is absolutely incredible magic here. We have the next product, which is Card Magic Transposition Collection. And then we have my Card Stab Collection. I've got something called the Red Card Stab, which is really incredible. Also an awesome glimpse on there and many more things. Next up, we have what's called the Close-Up Magic Artistry Volume 1, which has got some incredible close-up routines. I'll make other videos talking about going in more in depth of the material that's covered here. The next one I have is called Impromptu Miracles, and it's some of my best creations as a first place award winner of the IBM Ring 257 Impromptu Magic Contest. Now, I just want to say something about that contest. That contest, they gave you 20 minutes. They gave me 20 minutes, and they gave me some random props. They gave me some Play-Doh, some toilet paper, and a scarf. Those three things, and they gave me only like 20 minutes, and I created a routine and won the contest. This is a true impromptu contest, so that was really neat. Um, Next, we have a product called New 3-Card Monte Collection, and this includes incredible super visual 3-card Monte and also my 5-card Monte, which is absolutely incredible, and my quintuple color change, which is a color change with 5 cards, super visual color change. Next up, we have what's called New Card Magic Artistry Volume 1, and this is a product that I just finished most recently, and I'll make a video going more in depth on what's covered inside here, but this is routines and this is new stuff. Absolutely phenomenal, really incredible stuff. Real workers here. These are foolers. Next up, we have new oil and water collection. I have about 11 routines that are they're just phenomenal. This is a plot created by my mentor's mentor, Ed Marlowe created this, and I'm obsessed with this plot. This is really awesome. It's got my full deck oil and water where I vanish all of the black cards. They end up in the box. I've got a performance video on my YouTube channel for that. Next up, we have new sleeve ace variations. I love the sleeve aces, and I have many, many variations on here. I have what I call the Martineau's aces. I have the ultimate sleeve aces. I have several variations, probably at least 5 or 6, and I even have more than that. But these are taking some of my best variations of the sleeve aces, which is created by Al Leach. Next up, we have new Super Cardman stuff, which is based on Al Leach's book, Super Cardman Stuff. This is called New Super Cardman Stuff and Variations, and this has got some awesome magic on here as well. Now, so far, I have Super Visual Color Changes, the book. Then I have recently the new Super Visual Color Changes, Volume 1 and 2, which are the video downloads. Now I've completed new Super Visual Color Changes, Volume 3, 4, 5, and 6. And all I can say is, wow, these are some of the very best color changes that I've ever created. Next up, we have what I call the Conus Aces Card Magic Project. The Conus Aces, Conus was 1 or 2 generations before Robert Houdin, and I talk about in certain videos the historical aspects, but I've taken all of the best versions of Conus Aces and I've modernized it. I learned Conus Aces from not only Royal Road to Card Magic, Bruce Servan, and Michael Skinner, and many sources that I've learned from. But currently, I've been working on Hofzinser because I really love Hofzinser. To me, anything in Hofzinser is just showstoppers and just, it's a closer. It's phenomenal. And I would also recommend Dana D. Ortiz. He has beautiful modern work with Hofzinser, but so do I. And I'm going through all this material and through all the Hofzinser books and much more to come up with my modern renditions. So I'm most proud of this last product here, which is the 18th. This is the one I'm most proud of, and it's called Unlocking the Mysteries of Hofzinser and Lahom Musquet. And on here, I show some of my very best material with card magic. So stay tuned and please like the video. Please subscribe. Please click on the link, put in your name and email, and get on my Master Magic University email list where I will send you my free Master Magic course and free video tutorials on magic. Thank you very much and have a magical day. Keep it surreal.